Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lei. Today we're making easy Hungarian goulash. Warm, comforting, and packed with rich flavors. It's a must-try. This is my take on the traditional Hungarian goulash recipe featuring tender beef, bone-in pork chops, onions, garlic, and bold Spanish paprika with toasted caraway seeds, all slow simmered to perfection. To start off, let's prepare the vegetables by cutting bell peppers into dice. And do the same for 2 carrots, kind of a 1/4 inch rounds. And cut similar sizes of 2 medium potatoes. And then dice 1 large onion in a similar size as well. Now let's get on with the protein. Cut 4 slices of bacon into 1/2 inch pieces. Then cut the chuck roll steak, this is what I'm using here, roughly 1 inch pieces. Next, debone the 6 pork chops and cut the meat into 1 inch pieces. I am using the bones in the goulash as they will add so much flavor. Then season the meat, not the bacon, with salt and pepper. I'm using 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper for about 3 pounds of meat and bones, and reserve 1 teaspoon of salt for cooking later on. Mix the meat and bones with the salt and pepper and let it sit to marinate. The 2 signature spices I'm gonna use in the goulash, one is sweet paprika. I don't have Hungarian paprika, so I'm using the Spanish paprika, as well as toasted caraway seeds. In a large Dutch oven over medium heat on the stove, add the bacon pieces to render the fat until they are crispy. Take the bacon pieces out, set aside. Leave the bacon fat in the pot. Add the beef cubes, already seasoned with salt and pepper. Sear them until browned on all sides, work in batches if needed to avoid overcrowding. Repeat the same for the cube pork and pork bones. After they are all done, remove the beef and pork and set aside. As you can tell, I'm doing in 3 batches. Time to sauté the vegetable and spices. In the same pot, add more olive oil and diced onions with a dash of salt to draw out the water in the onions. Sautéing for about 3 minutes or so, and add minced garlic for another minute. Take both out. Repeat the same process for the bell peppers with a dash of salt again. Sautéing until the bell peppers are soft. Take them out and set aside. Add more olive oil, caraway seeds, and paprika, and toast both a bit until aromatic. Don't overcook it, otherwise you may burn the spices. Add all the meats and bones back into the pot, followed by all the cooked vegetables. Add 1 can, about 14-ounce San Marzano peeled tomatoes, and you can definitely use a can of diced or fresh tomatoes for the same. And then 3 cans of chicken stock. Also add 2 bay leaves, half of the bacon rendered pieces, and a dash of cayenne pepper for some extra kick. You can definitely skip this as you wish if you don't like it too spicy. Cover the pot and let it simmer over low heat for 15 minutes or so. Then do a taste test. And add salt and other spices as needed. After that, cover the pot again over low heat and simmer for 1.5 hours and stir occasionally. Then add the carrots and potatoes and simmer for 30 more minutes. Before you serve, fish out the pork bones and bay leaves. The second bay leaf was playing hide and seek with me. I served the Hungarian Goulash with freshly made mini baguettes and Spätzle. So whether you're looking for an authentic Hungarian goulash or just a delicious beef stew, this recipe is sure to satisfy. Give it a try, would you? Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.